beef stroganoff. Whoever invented that, they deserve a Pulitzer Prize. That sour cream and the butter noodles. So yesterday I was out buying meat and I decided to pick up some of this cube steak. It was on sale. I rarely ever buy it, but this stuff is wonderful. See all these textures in here? That creates flavor, and flavor is what we're all about. So watch what I did. I'm gonna cut it down into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna put this in the bowl. First off, I'm gonna season it. Now toss that a bit. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of flour, not a whole lot. I'm just going to use the flour to capture flavor as we pan sear it. Now we're singing. Now we're singing. Onions are wonderful. How many out there love mushrooms like me? Whoever grows mushrooms, I tell you, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm going to throw in a touch of garlic salt because I can. Okay, we're going to just let that sit there for a bit and brown up. Well, can you hear that? Look at that. Beautiful. Want to go crazy? You always add the torch, man. That'll brown it up real fast. Okay, there's the first stage. We're going to pull this off, put it in a pan, go for the next one. Onions. Mushrooms. So I'm going to drop in my meat. There you go. Now you can use normal steak if you want, but on these pieces of meat I want to go ahead and cook it a little bit more thoroughly just to soften them up. So I'm going to put this on. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just beautiful? Now be sure to check your pasta several times. It's perfect. Take some butter, put it in your bottom of your pan. Rinse this well, shake it out. Now this pasta cooked in about half the time as normal pasta. Just inexpensive egg noodles. So I'm not going to put any season on it because the butter's just fine and the beef stroganoff has plenty of flavor in it. So I'm going to take this, put a lid on this, put it aside. So this has been sitting off to the side for a little bit. Let me taste this, see how this goes. Really tender, really nice. Now, this is turned off here. Watch this. Put in some butter. Get that butter melting down. Put in some bouillon seasoning. See how that's developing real good? It's all flavor. All flavor. About a tablespoon and a half of flour. Mix that up really nice. And I'm going to add just enough half and half just to bring it up to top of that. So that's about a cup. Mix that real gentle. We're going to bring this up to a gentle simmer. As it heats up, it'll thicken because of the flour and the butter. There you go. Let's start tasting it. That's nice. I'm just going to add a touch of white pepper. Whoa, I lied. I add some mushroom. Now look what I've done here. This has been sitting off the side for about 10 minutes, very low. I checked all the meat, all the seasoning, absolutely perfect. Now, you don't want this too hot. You want to go ahead and add your sour cream. Because if it's too hot, it'll curdle. So there you go. Oh, doesn't that look beautiful? Isn't that look beautiful? So, put this aside. I'll lay myself a nice little bed. Noodles. Noodles are perfect. I'll lay this down. Oh, mushrooms and onions and beef. Smells so good and tastes even better. Gotta have your little dollop of sour cream. I might be as bold as add just a little bit more cheese around it. Little piece of parsley for cosmetic. I have my napkin. I'm going to dig into a little bit of that sour cream, parsley in the noodles. That sour cream and the butter noodles and the seasoning on the beef. That's fantastic. Then my favorite, zucchini. Just sea salt, a little bit of soybean oil, vegetable oil, and pepper. That's it. So tender, so nice. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show, and you gotta make this recipe. It's outstanding.